The use of one or more electrical appliances or devices which draw or consume electrical current beyond the designed capacity of the electrical system. A. Self-closing door. B. Jumper. C. Overloading. D. Oxidizing material. Answer: C. Overloading. An enclosed vertical space of passage that extends from floor to floor as well as for the base to the top of the building is called A. Sprinkle evidence. B. Vertical shaft. C. Flush point. D. Oxidizing material. Answer: B. Vertical shaft. A wall designated to prevent the spread of fire, having a fire resistance rating of not less than 4 hours with sufficient structural stability to remain standing even if construction on either side collapses under the fire conditions. A. Wood rack. B. Firewall. C. Flush point. D. Fire trap. Answer: B. Firewall. An act that would remove or neutralize a fire hazard. A. Allotment. B. Combustion. C. Distillation. D. Abatement. Answer: D. Abatement. It shall be conducted as a prerequisite to grant permits and or license by local governments or other government agencies. A. Fire safety inspection. B. Fire protection assembly. C. Fire alerting system. D. Fire service. Answer: A. Fire safety inspection. An instance that may cause fires from the heat accumulated from the rolling, sliding, or friction in machinery or between two hard surfaces, at least one of which is usually a metal. A. Static electricity. B. Overheating of machine. C. Friction heat. D. Heat from arching. Answer: C. Friction heat. Instruments used to open or close a fire hydrant. A. Sprinkler. B. Fire pump. C. Fire hose. D. Hydrant key. Answer: D. Hydrant key. The minimum temperature at which a liquid forms a vapor above its surface in sufficient concentration that it can be ignited. A. Ignition temperature. B. Kindling temperature. C. Fire point. D. Flash point. Answer: D. Flash point. It is known as the fourth element of fire. A. Fuel. B. An inhibited chemical reaction. C. Heat. D. Oxygen. Answer: B. An inhibited chemical reaction. It is a process by which heat is transferred by movement of a heated fluid such as water. A. Convection. D. Conduction. C. Radiation. D. Electrolysis. Answer: A. Convection.